What is she doing?
No!
What?
Why would
Ah!
no, sir? No, ma'am.
Guy, what?
Why is he doing
Oh.
that? He seems
Hello,
okay with
man.
it though.
Oh.
He seems fine. Okay, we got. Oh, I've seen this thing. This is very strange.
What is this for?
Um,
I saw it, but I forgot it. What is this?
It's to like define your cheeks, basically,
Oh.
which I don't think makes any sense.
He chopped her hair.
Oh no.
What? I mean, I saw it, but that looked not that bad.
That's nice.
I just
like to grunt.
I just whispered to
This thing
myself.
I've tested. It doesn't even work that well. It's not that good.
Well, it depends from the product. I mean, there is. Oh,
Why don't you believe me?
I mean, I believe you that your product didn't work, but maybe there is because I saw many of them in the market.
Okay. Got you.
I didn't try it, but I believe that it could work.
Okay, we got. Okay, separate your toes with tape. Interesting.
Just glue 'em.
Yeah, just glue your toes apart. That's the best way.
Okay.
And then you never have to take your shoes off again. Your shoes become your feet.
Just do not use the glue gun.
Yeah. Okay, so she's
going.
patting the rear area. Okay. I personally do squats. I still don't have a butt, but I do squats in hopes that one day I will form a butt.
It's just the complicated
This is
way,
interesting
to make
to get a straighter line.
What is she doing?
No!
What?
Why would
Ah!
no, sir? No, ma'am.
Guy, what?
Why is he doing
Oh,
that? He seems
Hello,
okay with
man.
it though.
Oh!
He seems fine.
he
He
even playing. Yeah, I guess he can breathe. Good job.
That's a disturbing visual
Whoa. Oh, mate.
Oh, okay. Face mask. I mean, this it's a beauty treatment.
Of course.
People pay for this.
Yeah, but from
Oh.
the side.
Oh.
Okay. How to keep men stable on
Exactly.
the bed? Give him watermelon.
Give him watermelon. Give him food.
Give him food. Yeah.
He looks at her so lovingly. It's true love. This is true love.
Okay. Wow.
Perm lotion. Okay. So we're making his eyelashes on fleek right now.
Have you ever had such experience in your life?
I've never had this experience ever. No.
Wow.
It looks like a very premium quality experience. Wow, and a lollipop.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I wish I got this experience. Kind of.
Oh boy.
Maybe, I don't know.
Wow.
Have you had a facial before?
No.
Okay. The closest thing I've gotten is where I get a haircut, and
Yep.
then my hairdresser likes me, so she'll give me a scalp massage afterwards.
Oh, okay. I have the scalp massage when on this part.
Yeah,
you know,
the
and
temples.
That's
That's it. That's where all the stress lies.
actually.
Mm.
Okay.
This guy's. Oh my gosh! Why would you
Just
do that?
slapped him.
That's
What?
not cool. 5 minute
That's-
craft.
Yeah.
Come on,
Ju-
guys.
Okay. Okay.
I signed up for a makeover, not a domestic.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna judge. But if it would a woman,
That's true. Then it wouldn't be okay.
yeah.
So let's move on.
Let's move. Okay.
Face oil. Okay.
Face oil,
Wow, she is really rough with him.
or maybe it's.
I mean, yeah,
should
it's just their dynamic. They just have that dynamic.
Or maybe it looks like it's because they speeded up the process. You know, in real life, it doesn't look. What?
Yeah,
It's
that looks pretty
painful.
Weird. It's like, does he not wonder where
Yeah.
she is? You know, like he
Uh-huh.
fell asleep with a woman next to him, and then he wakes up.
and he don't care.
He's like, oh, whatever. She probably
Yeah.
got a taxi home. This guy's a player.
What a guy.
And then he's like,
actually.
whoa, you're still in my house? What the heck?
It's.
Okay, towel overhead. This is the most aloof man I've ever seen in my life. He's so chill.
Yeah.
I need this life.
Wow.
Okay, we got an almond. We're gonna light an almond
Is she
for
gonna
mascara.
No.
Yeah,
Ah, mascara. Yeah.
that's called mascara, right? I'm pretty sure.
I'm not sure, but okay.
He's like, ah, home invader! Whoosh, throws her over.
Where were you? No questions. No question at all.
Yeah, I don't know. Before, I mean, she still looks fine, but and then
Yeah.
after, wow.
She were fine.
Yeah, she was.
Fine.
It's original. That's what we want.
Bloopers.
Oh, we got some bloopers. This is new. I didn't even know 5 Minute Crafts did bloopers.
No, we did it. We did it.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah, we stopped it after a while, but I guess they came back to this idea.
I like it.
Okay, it's kind of not the bloopers, just the hack which they filmed, but they didn't put it there because it was a week, I guess.
Okay. So this was. Oh, rubbing an egg on your face is a weak idea. What?
What? It looks so.
Yeah.
I mean, otherwise, why they put it in bloopers?
You can clean up your makeup with tape, huh? Interesting. This is also very interesting. It looks like she's about to rob a bank.
Excuse me? What? It's like a template for your face?
Yeah, face template with a stocking.
No, it's
Loose
rough.
tea. Okay, interesting. I've never heard of this. Is it to get rid of, I don't know, the smell in your hands? Maybe just
no.
use soap.
What this?
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
This is, I mean, it makes sense. It's gonna, the aloe vera is gonna soften your hands.
Yep.
She's cleaning them all, the cuticles up.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Have you ever did the Mike?
Mike?
Yeah. I mean makeup. Not makeup. How's that?
Yes, I have. Yeah. not on purpose. It was my ex. She thought it would be fun. And,
Okay.
Yeah. It was torture, basically.
I did it on purpose, and I loved it.
Yeah. Cool. Act nice.
Oh,
my gosh. Ah.
Actually, it was funny.
It's kind of
make it
charming.
fun.
Yeah, I like it. Good dynamic.
Okay. Oh, it's for the Valentine Day.
Yeah, he's not being held hostage or anything. No.
Yeah. Okie dokie.
Ooh, okay.
What's
Fell out of bed. We got some.
Gar-
All right, use some old tea bags in the morning. Oh no, he's waking up. He can't see me. To the bathroom I go. Let me ruin his plans. He'll
Yeah.
really like that.
This one is for.
She's not very vigilant. She's just like with her eyes
Yeah.
closed.
Whoosh. Wow.
Whoa, that was a close one. It's almost like this is staged.
Yeah.
right, what-
So I still not get it. What's going on there?
What's the next step here for you? This is like a secret
just-
agent lady.
Oh, she's just hiding to make all the makeup
Ah.
in order that
She forgot her makeup at home, so she's improvising using all of his home appliances and items. This is smart. High IQ.
Gotcha.
Business mindset. Strawberry. I don't think that actually lightens your lips. That
yeah,
seems like
yeah, I
a
have
no to
doubts.
me. Maybe wine. You could like stain your lips with wine.
Yeah, with wine it could work.
That could work.
What is this? It's a brush?
It looks like a really bad brush.
Oh boy.
Wow, that would definitely snap off immediately, but okay. Okay.
Okay.
If you want it, do it. Double tape. Stick your ear back. Ah! I can just imagine hair getting caught in it and stuff. No.
I'll be honest. In my childhood, I have complex about it. And
Really?
yeah, my
That you had big ears or something?
yeah,
Oh,
it
wow.
was like so, and I always trying to find some solution to stop them.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so that would be a good hack for you as a
Yeah.
child. Yeah, I always had a thing about my nose being too
Yeah.
small because all my friends were like, you know, they had huge noses, and I was like, oh, I should have a huge nose too to be like them. Now I'm okay with my little nose. It's fine.
You have a good nose.
It's an alright nose.
Yeah. Write this in the comment.
Is it a good nose?
Yeah.
Tell me, I'm still in that. I feel like maybe not.
I have doubts about it.
We should try it. Vacuum cleaner. I've seen this before to curl your hair.
Oh wow.
They have an actual machine though that does that. Like it's basically another vacuum cleaner, but it spins your hair.
Yeah. Kind of makes sense.
Yeah. So this is like
Just
the
a-
budget version, Wish.com version.
Yeah. We need to test.
I don't.
We actually tested something similar and it works, more or less.
I saw a
already
couple
forgot it.
things with your hair. Your hair is just so majestic. We have to test. We have to use it more.
Ah.
Okay, so we have toothpaste to get rid of lines, I guess. I don't know.
I don't know what it is.
So we got a coffee mixture, and now we're gonna dab it as a foundation concealer type thing.
Okay.
Okay.
well,
I mean, it depends on if it's your color as well.
So, oh, you get tired from all of this.
Okay.
Oh, the special gadget for blowing on your.
Ah, that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Toothpaste. Ew, what's up with your toothpaste? Oh, it's That might be a good idea.
It's gonna make sense.
I like that idea.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
gonna try that from now on.
Too complicated as well.
It's
but-
like a little complicated, but at the same, I think it's gonna come off of the tooth floss anyway,
Yeah.
really fast. Like after 2 teeth, toothpaste gone.
okay,
So it might
makes
be
sense.
too complicated.